Hello friends, welcome to our channel Kids Loving Area. So today we have brought one video in which we will teach you some sound words of E. So here are some words of sound E. When we will speak these words, we can hear sound of E. For example, P E N, pen. H E N, hen. T R double E, tree. F R double E, free. F E W, few. N E W, new. R E D, red. T E D, Ted. K double E P, keep. D double E P, deep. Here are some more words which we can clear your doubts of pronunciation. So first is ed. When we will use ed, so our words will be like this and sound will become like this. For example, B E D, bed. F E D, fed. L E D, led. R E D, red. W E D, wed. In this column, all words are of ed, so you can hear the sound of ed, no? Now in the next column, all the words are related to eg, so now we will come to know that what will be the sound of eg. First is B E G, beg. K E G, keg. L E G, leg. P E G, peg. All the words are related to eg, so we can hear the sound of eg in all these words. In the next column, all the words are containing en in the last. So let's see how the words will pronounce. D E N, den. H E N, hen. M E N, men. P E N, pen. T E N, ten. Now in the next column, all the words are consisting et in the last. So let's see how they will pronounce. First one is B E T, bet. G E T, get. J E T, jet. L E T, let. M E T, met. N E T, net, P E T, pet, S E T, set, V E T, vet, W E T, wet, Y E T, yet. So all the words are containing et in the last, so they will pronounce in the same manner. In the next column, we have brought some mixture of all the words now, but let's see how they will pronounce. W E B, web, G E M, gem, H E M, hem, P E P, pep, Y E S, yes. So I hope all of you can pronounce all the words of sound E. Now here are some exercise we have brought for you. First one is draw lines connecting the vowel sound E to the pictures that have the same sound in the middle. So in this exercise, what we have to do, we have to match all the pictures, all those pictures who containing E in the middle. So first let me show you. Here is the picture of 10, and what will be the spelling of 10? T E N, 10. So we'll draw one line from 10 to E. Then like this we will draw one line from 10 to E. In the next picture it is leg, and leg also have E in the middle. So we will connect leg, picture of leg, to the letter E. In the next picture, pen, pen is drawn. In the pen, the spelling of pen is P-E-N, so it also have E in the middle. So we will draw a line to E to the picture of pen. Next picture is hen. Hen also have E in the middle, so we will draw a line from E to the picture of hen. Next picture is bag, and the spelling of bag is B-A-G. It does not have E in the spelling, so we will not draw a line to the letter E. So we will leave this picture. In the next picture, it is peg, and in the peg spelling, E is there in the middle. So we will draw a line from peg to the letter E. In the next last picture, it is cup, and the spelling of cup is C-U-P, and it does not have E in the middle. So we will not draw any line to the letter E. So this is the first exercise. In the next exercise, filling the missing letters in each word. Spelling of bell. What will be the spelling of bell? B-E-double-L, bell. So what we will put in the blank? We will put E in the middle. So in all these words, we will recognize the picture, then we will recognize their spelling, and then according to the picture and the spelling, we will complete their spellings by putting letter E in the blanks. And one more exercise we have brought for you. This is matching word. draw a line from the pictures to the correct word. We have to match the pictures with their correct spellings. So first picture is of nest, and nest is written here, N-E-S-T, nest. The second picture is of sled, and the spelling of sled is S-L-E-D, sled. We will match the picture to the spelling. Next picture is of bell, B-E-L-L, bell. We will match the picture with their spelling. Next picture is of well, W-E-L-L, well. We will match it with this spelling. Next picture is of web, W-E-B, web. And the last picture is of tent, T-E-N-T, tent. We will match all the pictures with the correct spelling. So these are some exercise. For more practice, do these exercise at home and learn the learn the words and sound words of E, and do more and more practice. And for more videos, please like, share and comment and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.